Introducing the V S Arunachalam Memorial Lecture, a platform that celebrates the vision and legacy of our founder, Dr. V S Arunachalam. Dr. Arunachalam was more than just an inspiring scientist. His experience as a scientific advisor to Raksha Mantri, Government of India from 1982 to 1992 convinced him of the importance of scientific insights and evidence in policy decision making. In pursuit of this goal, he set up the Center for Study of Science, Technology and Policy (CSTEP) in 2005. For nearly 2 decades now, CSTEP has been helping shape policy decisions. At CSTEP, researchers study India's developmental policies, develop tools and models, and provide scientific evidence to aid regulatory actions. Inspired by Dr. V S Arunachalam, CSTEP has significantly contributed to new policy initiatives in energy and climate change sectors and made important recommendations to help implement these policies. The V S Arunachalam Memorial Lecture celebrates this legacy by connecting thought leaders in the scientific arena to public policy practitioners. Through this exchange of ideas, we hope to engage in thought-provoking discussions to help shape India's policy narrative and direction. Join us at the first Memorial Lecture in December and contribute to building a future where India leverages science and technology to create a better world.